All right. Have you ever thought about replacing your battery, or you're that kind of person that leaves the battery and it beeps all the time because it needs to be replaced? Well, you need a 9-volt battery, and most of them are 9-volt batteries for these smoke detectors. If you have those carbon monoxide also alarms, they also require 9 volts. 9 volts last for a long time, so if you want to get your replacing, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to replace the battery on that one because that one's a little old, and we're also going to test it out. So on most of them, you can just turn these out, all right, and this says disconnect. So we're going to go ahead and take out the battery. There it is. So taking out the battery, just make sure that you're aware how that goes. All right, so let's go ahead and take it out, facing one way, one direction. So the same way we're going to face it, lock it in place. Now we're ready to put it back. We're going to test it out, right? And to test it out on the battery to see how loud it is, you have to hold the button down. It's going to be loud. I'm going to mute it for you guys. And that concludes the test. Now let's go ahead and set this up, all right? All right, so it's always recommended, once you test it out, make sure that you test it out at least once a year. These tend to last for maybe a year or so, but sometimes depending on the degradation of the actual usage. So say you have one in the kitchen and there's constantly smoke because you're burning stuff in the kitchen, your battery's gonna be low, right? So let's go and make sure that it's up here and it's locked in place. So if you guys want to get battery replacements, very simple. You get a pack of 5 when you get the actual batteries, all right? So they all come well sealed, protected, so they're not being used or actually conducted or anything like that, and they're ready to go out of the box. So if you're looking for great 9-volt batteries, highly recommend you guys.